Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make simple beauty lens face filter and how to do face retouch of face, plus how to add grain. Let's start it. Just follow the steps what I am doing.
Till I collapse, I've been moving too fast. Got my foot up on the gas, full throttle till I crash. I'm back with a vengeance. You gon' see me end this. I will be ascending. I don't ever slack. I got my eyes on a prize. What I see for my life, I don't float, no I fly. Do or die, cause you gotta do or die. There ain't no compromise. Get ready for a fight.
Do you wanna see what you're made of? What if there was no one to save us? Would you leave it all on the pavement? Would you dye the ground with some stray blood? I just wanna find out my limits. I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it, and this is just the beginning.
Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? Do you want it bad? I'll fight till I collapse. I'll fight till I collapse. I'll fight till I collapse. My energy is unmatched. I don't get tired, no I don't get gas. I'm back, still working to surpass. Everybody getting past, on my way up fast. No slap, so watch out for me now. Everybody in this town will be looking at my craft.
Hope you like this tutorial and try out the filter. Link is given in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming tutorials. Till then, stay safe and take care. Thanks, bye.